We're in Covington, Georgia. This is the old pavilion. I guess you can rent this little thing out here. I'll show you. Legion's Field, they have concerts over there. Nice little town, I guess. Not much going on. There's some nice folks right there walking. Hey guys, let's drive up here. I'll show you some of these mansions. Look at this. Oh well. Back to the trails. Golf carts ride all over the place down here. No one never says anything, so now you have it. We're gonna ride on out here. I like the bike. It's not the most expensive bike because I was gonna buy a really expensive bike. Stop and be safe. Okay, nothing's coming. That's safe enough. All right, now get it in. See what I mean? Everyone's out. Look at this guy. He's carrying the family. Make sure I steer clear. We're gonna ride on out here, see what we can see. Let's move this thing up the pedal. Now, this stop is coming up here. There's a major little highway that comes across it. You gotta be extra careful. These people will not stop for you. Last time I came through here, they were insisting on trying to run my ass over. So, with that being said, I'm going to be really careful up here. But I do. This is Eagle Drive and Highway 42 Covington Bypass. So far we're in 3.4 miles. I'll keep you guys posted right now. I'm on pedal assist 2 and we're doing, I'm pedaling in 7th gear. And we're doing, I try to keep it like that until my legs get tired. Then baby, I gotta go on throttle. Hey, I'm 65, I ain't trying to prove nothing to nobody. You know the deal. Come on with me, y'all. What we got here? Wow. There's a bench for the tired. Look at this, nice. Good to see where our taxpayers' dollars are being spent. This is a nice ride out here on a Friday morning, guys. Hey! Man, it's kind of pretty here. Look at that. Some chairs by the lake there. 5.3 miles so far. We're still riding. I think Starrysville's a little bit further than I thought it was. But, hey, we're gonna ride out and see. Now, if I wasn't on this pedal assist or with this e-bike, hell no, I won't be coming way out here, boy. You have to have a couple gallons of water to keep you going. But anyway, let's ride and enjoy the scenery. Nothing like it, guys. Retired and just riding and looking. Wow, take it in. Getting there. Look at this. Hey, this is a perfect time to do a speed test. Look at this straightaway. We're gonna go to level 5 and I'm gonna pedal this baby. 19, 22, 24, 26, 28, 29, 29. It may be governed, but let's bring it on back down. I don't want to die. Woo! Woo! We're back down to pedal assist 1. Pedaling, I'm doing about 16 miles an hour. We'll keep it like that. I seen it on Facebook just the other day. Someone donated it so when people come to Starsville, they actually sit down here and take a break. Well, I made it back from Starsville. I'm back at Covington. Listen, you can hear the sirens. It's beginning to be like a big city again now. It's crazy, but I enjoyed going out to the countryside. As you can see, the rivers and bridges and all that stuff in the old town store at Starsville. But yeah, it's a good time to be had, and I had a good time. Now it's time to go home, get a shower and some lunch. Thanks for following me, guys, and I can't wait to show you my next adventure on Cleve's Insights.